let's go again. Oh shit. Alright, so we're gonna do another vlog today. But first, I need the coffees. Alright, since it seems to be raining like hell outside, I think we're gonna eat coffee at work today. And that might be a good excuse to do a tour. So here we go, Ubisoft Toronto tour. Here we go. Woo! That's a little bit better. Alright, since it's raining, we're gonna go get our coffee inside today. So, who's up for a studio tour of Ubisoft Toronto? Let's go! And it's still rolling. Alright, so that was a bit of a long one, guys. To finish out the video, we're gonna go take a quick look at the progress I've made at the workshop at home. I was able to finish putting up the last pegboard wall last night, so let's go take a quick look. The modeling desk is pretty much complete now. Gonna mount the computer on some wood blocks to keep it off the floor. Set these desks up in such a way that I can have the ability to lower the desks from a standing height to a sitting height. That's why there's a little bit of overlap with the pegboard with the shelves. It gives me those extra 6 inches or so that if I did drop the desk, there would still be plenty of room for the pegboard. As you can see, the painting desk is about halfway set up. It's a little bit sparse up here, but I'm sure that will grow over time as I find more stuff. I should have to hook up some power strips and then hook up the hose again and get that configured to the window there. So I've got power running through the ceiling behind that pegboard. Then I've got one running along the side and back down the bottom. So the next step is to get the electricity hooked up here, the fan there, hook up some lights on this side, and then this will eventually be converted into a light box. I'll probably be doing a new setup for this. I might put a little bit larger piece of wood on top of it and then construct the setup and the ramp on top of that. One other thing I may try, because I have unfinished ceiling, is that I should be able to easily set up some overhead camera mounts. So hopefully I can figure out how to set one up here, either for shooting video or for live streaming. That's pretty much it. So later on we'll do a full breakdown of the shop. I'll see you guys in the next video.